Anyway, so I'll start this one by saying I shouldn't be doing this one yet. Probably not ready to do to video, but I make mistakes. So we're gonna do it anyway. Song is Every Breath You Take by The Police. I should say first, there is one part that you can't do. I haven't been able to do it yet. But you've got the verses, and then you've got the "Oh Can't You See" part, and then it's the other bridge part. Since you I don't even know, but you need a flat. No, an A sharp. What the hell do you need it again? I can't remember, but I just haven't got it to the Merlin yet. So this is the verse and the chorus, no bridge. And then the chorus is okay. Then it goes back. So that's the easy part. But that picking sounds hard, and I'm having difficulty, and I probably should be using my fingers instead of a pick to do it. But that being said, I'm okay with it. So it follows the same formula the whole way, that whole verse. It's the same pattern for every note you do. Now in the original song, when the first note you do, and then you're supposed to go lower. But since we've only got so many minors on the Merlin, you've got to go high just to get that minor chord. Otherwise, I would start it here and then go down, but you don't have the minor there. So we make do with what we have on the Merlin. So for the first chord, it's an open D, with your finger on your first fret, and then your picking will be on the second fret. Actually, I will do this with my fingers here. So it's there's a pull off there. When you get more comfortable, you can use more than just your thumb. So that picking pattern is throughout the whole verse. It doesn't change. Just changes where you do it. So it starts in the open, like I said, the D. And then what are we going up to? A B minor. B minor, we're doing it up here. So you're going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. And then you're going to be, the 7th is where you're going to hit that pull off. Don't really have to worry about making a pull off sound here so much. You can hit each note. You can just hit both notes instead of doing that pull off. And then you go to your G. So it's going to be 3, 3, 4. And your pull off's going to be on the 5th. And then your A, which is going to be 4-4-5 with your pull off on your 6th. Back to your D. And then, like other songs I've said in the past, that second D is part of the first part. So when you go into the second verse, it starts all over again and you use the D over. So you do the D 4 times instead of just 2. And so, like I said, it's pretty straightforward for the picking once you get the sequence down. And then for your verse, it's like, oh, can't you see? So you stay on the D until you can't you see. Once you get C, then you change to the G. So then we're ending the verse here. To the D with your second fret, to the E, to the A, and then you go back to that picking. Now, can I do that since you've been gone? I don't see how. So we're going to leave it like that. We're going to leave the bridge off it. So we've got the verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. We'll just leave the bridge out because I don't see a way of doing it yet. And there might be. Someone else might figure it out if you do put the chords in the comments. So that I can use them and everyone else can use them. That'd be awesome. I'm bringing thumbs up back. I do it all the time. I probably look like a dork, but I don't care. Anyways, so that's that song, Every Breath You Take by The Police. So this is number 2 for tonight. Maybe do 1 or 2, 3 more. I don't know yet. We'll see. Actually, I'm going to take a break because dinner's ready, so I will be back and do some more in a bit. Not that it matters. I'll put them out tomorrow or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But this week you'll have a bunch of new videos. Anyways, that's it. Have fun. We'll talk to you guys later.